Hi everyone, I'm Caitlin and welcome back to Parlez Pals. Today in this video we are going to go over French subject pronouns. French subject pronouns are essential for constructing sentences and conjugating verbs. They indicate who or what is performing the action of the verb. This video will cover the singular and plural subject pronouns in French, along with their meaning and usage. We're going to start with singular subject pronouns. These pronouns refer to a single person or thing. It's important to learn them in the following order. Je, je. Tu, tu. Il, il. Elle, elle. On. And now for the plural subject pronouns. These pronouns refer to multiple people or things. Nous, nous. Vous, vous. Il, il. Elle, elle. Tu and vous. Tu is used with friends, family, and people younger than you. Vous is used for formal situations, with people you don't know well, or to show respect. When in doubt, use vous. On can replace nous in informal contexts. For example, on va au cinéma is more casual than nous allons au cinéma. If a group includes both males and females, il is used. Elle is used only when the group consists entirely of females. You may have noticed that the S in nous, vous, il, and elle is usually silent unless the following word begins with a vowel. In that case, it creates a liaison. Here are some examples using these subject pronouns. Je mange une pomme. Tu parles français. Il est grand. Elle est belle. On travaille ici. Nous étudions le français. Vous êtes étudiant. Ils aiment le chocolat. Elles sont contentes. And that's it for this video. It's very short and quick. Thank you so much for watching and listening. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and maybe share this video with someone who might find this very useful, or who desperately needs it. Merci beaucoup et à bientôt!